Hey guys, and welcome to my updated version of my D2R automator. So, what you do is you enter the license key, you get this menu, this is your main menu. Then you press F11 on the main window, boom. Then you find your barbarian window, press F10 on that one. So, main window is set to our main character, and it detected the two leecher windows, of course, that's the barbarian and the other leecher, and barbarian bow window is set on this one, so it knows this is the barbarian that's going to go to River Flames, and that is the one who's going to cast bow for us. Alright, we have tiny mod and hardcore. Tiny mod is what I use here on my barbarian and the leecher, so it knows the coordinations correctly. But if you do not use tiny mod, you can just simply take this off, and then it will recognize that you run the game like this normally and with these coordinations. But since I use tiny mod on my my barbarian, I have to use this one. Hardcore, it's only for the barbarian, so the barbarian goes back to town after the bow is finished. So if you want your barbarian to go back in town, you just press this one, and it will go back to town. But since I'm not like gonna have my barbarian go back to town, like I don't give a fuck about that, so I just keep this ticked off. So we choose a game name, DMX pass X, and then you have to press save game info. Boom, I have hell as difficulty, and it detected 2 leechers, and I want, you can swap, you can make a game with 0 leechers, 1 leechers, or 2 leechers. If you only want 1 leecher, if you have a window 10, F10 window, that leecher will join you as the 1 leecher. If you have 0, of course the game will create with only your main, but I want both of my leechers to join the game. So the first thing you do is press page up, and it should make the game. Let's go. Oh shit, that game is already created. The fuck? What is the odds, man? Alright, that's a bummer. F9. All leeches left the game. Page up. Let's make another one. 2. Okay, that's not made. Nice. Leeches will join. Barbarian will go to River Flames. Focus back on main window and full screen it. And we're ready to go. Now you can press F12. The barbarian will give you a bow. Nice and neat. Yep. And you're ready to run your... Oh wait, let me... You're ready to run and go kill shit, you know? And let's just say you're finished with the game. You only want 1 leecher. Boom. You just press page down. And that 1 leecher is the barbarian that's gonna join. Go to River Flame. And it will focus back on your main. Press F12, get the bow, and we're ready again. Go, 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 you know? Very easy, very simple. So, and you can do this with, of course, full gamed 8 copies of D2R running. So you see the buttons. First game, page up button. You can also click on the menu if you don't have the buttons, like, I don't know, if you play on laptop. Maybe I'll create a reel where you can set your own hotkeys someday, but that's not gonna happen for now. First game creation, page up. You set the main window by pressing F11. You set the bow window by pressing F12 on the bow window, and you create the next game by pressing page down. All the leeches can leave the game by pressing F9. You just press F9, and the baron will leave the game. And exit script, of course, just close the shit down. So this is how easy, simple, and neat the script is. And of course, if you wanna, let's do this. Let's say we want to change the game name to Diablo Run, and no password. Then you just press save game info. We want both leechers to join. Page up. Boom. 12. Bow. Done. Ready. Easy peasy. Kick leechers. Done. So that's how simple it is. Very fast, very easy. Oh, yeah, it didn't remove the password. Then if you want it, you just have to close the entire script, open up it again, and it will delete the password. Whatever, you get it. You can try around with it. Works very well. It's I can make it faster, but I know there's many people who doesn't have a very powerful PC that can run 5, 6, 7, 8 copies of D2R and like making this super fast. I can literally make them like join instantly, but if your PC is not fast enough, it's gonna fuck up. I've tested it so many times now with different sets of PCs, and this delay on the joining and stuff is the perfect one. So that's it. And again, if you wanna change game name, the hell difficulty password, you have to press save game info. You do not need to press save game info if you change features, or if you have tiny mode or hardcore on. You do not need to press save game info. Alright boys, as I mentioned, there can be added some better stuff on it. I will add a reel so you can make your own hotkeys, so you're not fast locked on the, what is it called, on the F12 or page up or whatever, that you can set your own. That's just not gonna happen right now. This works very, very good and very fast, and maybe in the future updates I will update that. And if you guys have any other like great idea, let me know, guys, just in the comment, and I will try to see if I can implement that on the next update. Alright boys, and if this is something that you want, you can contact me on Discord, and then we can figure it out. Or DGJSP. I'd rather have you guys contact me on Discord, actually. Alright, that's it for me, boys. I'm outie. Till next time, man.